The iconic Nike Air Max 90 Infrared is finally making its long-awaited comeback, with a faithful retro expected to arrive in spring 2026. After a year dominated by Air Max 95, Air Jordan 1, and Air Jordan 5 releases, many fans wondered why the AM90 was missing in action for its 35th anniversary. According to reports, Nike is preparing to revive the classic white, particle gray, light smoke gray, black and infrared 23 colorway last faithfully celebrated in 2020 for the silhouette's 30th year. While details remain under wraps, early expectations point to a retro that stays true to Tinker Hatfield's original 1990 design. Sneakerheads can anticipate a more limited rollout as the Air Max 90 isn't as dominant in today's market, but excitement for the infrared never fades. Stay tuned for official Nike.com release updates, product photos, and further Air Max 90 news as the Swoosh gears up for a major return of this legendary runner.